Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise. My garden contains different type of plants. For instance, it has different flowers such as roses, sunflower, lilies, diseases. These flowers are the assist of growth to flourish the environment with her beautiful smell. Moreover, the colors of their flowers make a garden look beautiful. Further, my garden has different vegetables growing in them. For example, vegetable like tomato, carrots, sweet potato, cauliflowers, bell pepper, etc. These are easy to grow. Apart from this, they have various health benefit. Furthermore, this ensure that the vegetable are fresh and free from any chemical. The garden has grass all over the area as a result of this make beautiful and made more than more ensure to contrast. Furthermore, my garden different vegetables and fresh, free from any chemical. The furthermore, it has a soft ground where children can play different sports. This ensure that they do not get hurt even if they fall down while playing. Further, my garden has a swing too much in my favorite because I can spend hours swinging on it and do not get bored. Sometimes I spend an entire day in the garden completing all my tasks there, but this is only possible whenever I have a holiday. And then as a result, my garden is now full of flowers and in the bright of all part from my father. And there is another person whom my father and has appointed to take care of the garden because he has to stay away from the house. So the gardener comes at the time. Furthermore, the hug, grooming and cutting also plant in the duty of the gardener. And every day in the morning I can hear the chirping of many birds.